All right, today we're still in Lyons, and so we're gonna use the day to cruise around with the Beach Cruiser and the EMB 200. Awesome town to do that in, great parks, great coffee shops. So we're gonna see how much we can conquer in a day with the just the Beach Cruiser and the 200. Quick stop at a bakery here before we go down to the parks, get a little snack, get a little coffee. Let's do it.
I'm excited!
I swear Lyons has one of the best parks ever. Just beautiful. You're in this canyon, awesome river running along, and then all these fun park toys to play on, and a awesome rock climbing wall.
Really stiff.
Stiff. Little rough. Well, that park's super fun. You can do that for hours. I love this wall, by the way. So, back to the bikes, bum around, find some other places to chill here in Lyons.
They're really cool and very fast.
There you have it. Bumming around through Lyons on a beach cruiser is a blast. Coffee shops to stop at, awesome parks, great hills, beautiful mountainscapes all around you. The beach cruiser is just a good time.